We're live. This is Math 40, Elementary Algebra, Section 5.5, Adding and Subtracting Polynomials. And the really great thing about Section 5.5 is there's absolutely nothing new in it. This is just a section where we're going back and combining like terms. Now remember that terms are like terms if their variables match exactly. It's got to be exact. So the way we're going to approach this is exactly the way we were before. If we are asked to add two polynomials, then all we need to do is write out all the terms of the two polynomials. We don't have to change anything if we're adding. And then we need to identify the like terms. For example, I see a 3x cubed here and a 5x cubed here. So those are going to be like terms. Then I see an x squared here, but I don't see any other x squareds. And I see a negative 2x, but I don't see any more x's. And finally, I see a couple of constants, one there and one there. So I'm going to combine them. Now, it's completely up to you whether or not you rewrite it. One option is to rewrite the polynomial with the terms in descending order. It's always a good idea to count. I had 6 terms, make sure I still had 6 terms, because then we can combine the like terms. These both have x cubed. This has an x squared, this has an x, so these are not like terms, but these two are like terms. If you have 3x cubed and you subtract 5x cubed, or sorry, yes, 3 minus 5 is negative 2x cubed. The x squared and the minus 2x we just write down. Minus 4 minus 10 is negative 14. Ta-da! Now, subtraction is a little bit harder. When you're subtracting, remember that it's a lot like either taking the opposite, or some people like to imagine, like to write in a -1 that we're multiplying through. Basically, you need to change the signs on both of the terms. In this case, any terms that follow the minus sign. So whatever comes after the minus sign changes. The 4x minus 11 stays exactly the same, but then I get minus 7x plus 3. And the plus 3 is because I had a -1 times a -3. I'm going to rewrite the terms so that they have the like terms are next to each other, the 4x minus 7x. So 4x minus 7x is negative 3x. Those are like terms right there. And then I've got the negative 11 and the 3, which I brought together. Negative 11 plus 3 is negative 8. Woohoo! That's it. That's the whole section. Yeehaw!